As you can see, I have a Chevy Silverado here. This is a 2002 model, and this is going to be the same for the 1999 to 2002 Chevy Silverado, Suburban, Tahoe, GMC Sierra, any of the GM full-size trucks or SUVs, and I'm going to show you how to take out and change the AC filter so you will get good airflow coming out of your vents. This will make a huge difference if it hasn't been done. And the filter that you're going to want to replace is linked up in the description below. Click below. You can get a filter off Amazon, almost half the price of what you can get it for at your local auto parts store. So if you want to save some money, click the link below. So what you're going to need is a 5.5 millimeter socket and ratchet. And some of the vehicles, such as I know like the Suburban, will actually have a cover that covers this right here. This particular truck's just a base model, so it does not have that cover, but you just take out like 3 bolts to take it off, and then just pop off that cover, and then it's going to expose this area right here. So anyway, as you can see, we got our glove box. You go down below the glove box, and we're going to want to take off this panel right here. So we're going to want to take out this screw right here in the back, and then it's going to have a little clip on it. And some of these actually have 2 filters in them. This one I believe only has 1 filter in it, but some of them in the Suburbans do have 2 filters. You can get both of those linked up in the description below. Wow. Does that look dirty or what? That is a problem. So we're just going to slide it out. Oh my gosh, there's like mold growing on that thing. Disgusting. So this one only has 1 filter, and that is the way you take it out. Then you're going to want to click in the description below and get yourself a new filter if yours looks anywhere close to as haggard as this one, because it'll make a huge difference for you. And then after you get your new filter, you're just going to pop it in. It is directional, so just make sure that you have the arrow pointing that way, because the air is going to blow through that way. So that is the way you change a filter in a Chevy, GMC, or any GM full-size truck or SUV. Years 99, 2000, 2001, and 2002. They stopped putting a filter in the Chevy Silverados. They do not have a filter in the 2003 to 2007 model that is similar. They got rid of the filter. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Thank you so much for watching. I hope it helped. Please subscribe, comment. Let me know if this video helped you. Let me know if it didn't. Love to hear your feedback, positive or negative, as long as you're keeping it real. Thank you so much for watching, because every day we teching it. Every day we teching it. Peace.